Hey Chu, check this out. By September, I've walked 5,500 kilometers already. Do you think I can hit 10,000 kilometers by the end of the year? Whoa, wait a second. Did you walk that? Nope. That includes both the kilometers I've walked and the distance I've covered on my motorbike. Haha. Yikes! I thought you were a superhero. And that chart you made looks fantastic. Did you do it in PowerPoint? No, I made it entirely in Excel. Plus, I've created similar charts like this too. Isn't it pretty? Check out this tutorial video to try it yourself. It's super easy.
First, we have a data table as shown on the screen. I will create another table with two columns, X and Y. For the Y column, all three rows will have the value of 1. For the X column, the first row will be 0, the second row will be the completed value, and the last row will be the target value. After that, I'll select all three rows of both columns, go to Insert, and draw a scatter chart with lines. Next, I'll adjust the y-axis value and increase the maximum to 2. For the x-axis, I'll reduce the axis value to match our target value, which in this case is 10,000. Then, we will turn off unnecessary elements such as axes, axis title, and grid lines to clean up the chart. I'll click on one of the three circular points. Once all 3 points are selected, I'll go to the Marker tab, choose the built-in option, increase the size of the markers to 8, and color them as desired. Next, we will add data labels. In the Options section, uncheck Y value and replace it with X value, then set the position to below for better visibility. Now I will add the unit, which in this case is KEM. I will select the X column values, right-click, choose Format Cells, then select Custom, and add kilometers to the format. Then, I'll double-click on the second line segment between the second and third points until the last point shows 4 anchor points and color this line a light gray. Similarly, I'll double-click on the remaining segment and color it as I prefer. Next, you can visit a website and choose an icon that matches the theme you want. Here, I'm looking for a shoe icon. Download the icon you like. Insert it into Excel and resize it appropriately. Then, I'll copy the shoe image, double-click on the second marker, and paste the shoe onto it. Oh, the shoe seems a bit too big, so I'll resize it to make it smaller. Finally, let's test if the chart runs smoothly. Perfect. You can also apply this method to create other similar progress bars. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it interesting, don't forget to like and leave a comment so YouTube can suggest this video to more people. Also, subscribe to my channel to stay updated with new videos.